What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and remove the background from your image. So for that what you have to do is use Photoshop, use eraser tool and remove the background. No, that's not going to be the case over here. I'm going to go and show you this amazing website which is remove BG. BG stands for background. So as you can see in front of your screen, 100% automatically and free. So you don't need to go and log in as well. It works without that one as well. So just for the demo, I'm using a Salman Khan photo. So this is the image which I found, and I'm going to use this image and remove the background from it. So what I'm going to do is, after I clicked on it, I just downloaded it, and here you can see the images down there. So I'm going to go back and just it says upload your photo or drop your photo. So I'm going to go and drop it over here. So let's see, and let's hope the background image has been removed. So this is the original photo, and there you have an image which is without background. So what you need to do is click on download, and this is the older image. Why it's loading? Okay, this is the older image and this is the new image, and it converts into PNG, and there you have it. But don't make it sure that it is going to have the best quality, because if you are doing something related to some advanced thing, you need to use Photoshop. But just for the quickness, you can see the image is very nice. But if you go deeper, you can see the cutscenes and all. So just for reference, or just if you want to go and show, if you don't know how to use Photoshop, this is going to help you out with that. You just need to go and just upload your image. Remember the website name, remove.bg. BG stands for background. Remove background. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or if you like this video, do comment it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.